YouTube beef. We have beef now.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you, bitch.
You want some of me?
He wants to know me. Does a veg burger impress us non-vegetarians?
That's what he said.
Hi, Sikandar. Sikku. Sikandar.
What's up?
We're doing this. हो गया?
Yes.
Hi guys, it's Sakshi Shetty, aka Sakshi, and on my today's video, by the title you might already know, we are trying the most top-rated burgers of our area. This is Riya Shetty, my very dear friend.
Hi.
आज तो मैंने invite किया है burger treat. साथ में मिलके खाएंगे, review करेंगे chill scenes, and we are also gonna spoil our stomachs. So she is gonna accompany me with loose motions. All we're gonna eat today is lots and lots of burgers.
Riya's gonna have diarrhea.
Having me.
Good joke.
I can't get enough. I'm always coming back.
So what we have done is कि मुझे find out करना था कि सबसे best burger कौन सा है.
Hi. Meet our guest today.
Hi.
Meet our guest. Okay, he said no. No.
He wants to come to me. He wants to go to me.
My dog is a cheater. It's not just boys who are cheaters. Dogs can be cheaters too.
See, it doesn't lick me. It just comes and sniffs. So what we have done is we are going to find out which is the best rated burger, which is the yummiest burger. And how we have done this is we've gone to like Zomato City and we've seen the most top rated burgers from our area. हमारे area में जो भी burgers एकदम top listed है. Even from the restaurant, for example, McDonald's में सबसे ज़्यादा star rated burger कौन सा है? That's what we've ordered. So we've make sure whatever we've picked are like the best ones according to customer rating. So without any further ado, let's get right into the burger tasting.
Finally.
And I try to check on YouTube के who has done this previously, किसी ने किया है नहीं किया है. In India, I couldn't find anyone who's done finding the best burger, trying out burgers, finding the best burger. So I'm like, I need to be the first one to do it. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video and find out which one is the best burger. Which one do you want to start with?
I think one of the famous ones.
We're going to start with the classic, the most classic one, which is McDonald's. From McDonald's, the top rated one was the
McChicken.
Oh, by the way, in burgers, we have a mixture of everything. We have Mac Aloo Patty, we have a nacho burger, we have paneer burger, we have chicken burger. तो सारा mixture है, तो मजा भी आएगा.
I'm excited.
Yeah. So what McDonald's gave us is just one sachet of ketchup and a burger, which came wrapped like this. See, this is how the bun looks. Inside there is just lettuce, mayo, and a patty. That's it. So dry.
So dry.
There's literally
Lettuce for the hell of it.
I'm gonna let her try take the first bite and
Oh
see.
my god, I feel honored. I'm gonna take the side which has the mayo. Like the 2 drops of mayo, I'm gonna take it. I mean, classic McChicken, what do you expect? A little dry. And a little soggy, but taste is like nice. It's chill.
Sorry, I forgot to switch on the ring light. I just turned it on now. Because the lighting is a little better.
The price was 200 rupees.
Bro, around
Because-
200 for one burger on Zomato.
On Zomato. We ordered through Zomato. Otherwise, it's for 120 rupees.
So I give this one 6 on 10. I'll give it a 6 on 10.
Quite high.
Because the taste is good, but it's very dry, bro. Like no sauce. There's just one vegetable inside. Barely any mayo. If they would have added a little more sauces and a little more veggies, अच्छा होता था. Now we're gonna try a vegetarian version. This one is Aloo Tikki burger from Shawarma Authentic, which is a place around here. I was like, shawarma वाली जगह पे burger.
Please clap.
And we again gave one packet of. This looks pretty interesting though. Oh, there are lots of things
Ooh,
inside.
it has fillings.
This is how the burger looks. Under there are a lot of things. It's like sticky AF though, but look at the amount of filling that's there inside. They put capsicum, they put lettuce, they put onion, they put tomato, and they put mayo.
Nice.
But the oh my god, look at the patty size. Patty size is like half of the burger. It's very small. ये देख. Anyway, taste करके देखते हैं कैसा है. I'll try this one first.
Me and my dog just looking at you, hungry as.
Why are we still here? just to suffer.
Right off the bat, it's so much better than McDonald's, being honest.
It's so soft.
There's so many flavors in it.
Melts in your mouth.
Yeah, melts in your mouth.
What the hell? A shawarma place makes
As
good
better.
burgers. Guys, this burger that we just ate was only for 70 rupees.
That is so worth it. So worth it. And it's from
So worth it.
Shawarma Authentic.
Shawarma authentic, but we paid a total of 170 with the tax, with the delivery charges tax. But
But it's not that expensive at all.
it's so good for
We
a
paid more
vegetarian
for the
French patty.
McDonald's. We paid 100 rupees more for the McDonald's,
Yeah.
literally. And if their burgers are so good, imagine their shawarmas now. Wow!
The only sad part about that burger was its patty was very small. So for that, I'll give them like a 8 on 10. Otherwise, for a veg aloo patty burger, it's amazing.
It was veg.
Yeah, it was a veg aloo patty burger.
And it was aloo.
She hates aloo.
Let's try wow momos. I want to try this.
Momo.
We're like ordering burgers off places which sell momos and shawarmas.
Oh. The Tone burger, the burger जब मैंने खोला and it was sealed by the way. We didn't open it, just opened the seal and it came like this, broken already. So if I open this burger, I see here there are like 2 fried momos. This is a chicken fried momo burger, I think. And there are like there's a green sauce, there's a red sauce, and there are mayonnaise. Sauces may they put like a lot of sauces and there are 2 fried momos. But look at the condition, bro. I'm sure while packaging, they might have already known that hum bhej rahe, but still they decided to sell this only anyway.
Okay, go. Alright.
I've never had a momo burger. This is gonna be interesting.
I've had it before, so
You
that's
had?
why I'll let you try this one first.
Did you like it earlier? Be honest. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, it's like hard. I'm so confused about how I feel.
This one was for 149 by the way.
Because it's hard from the inside. It's hard from the inside, and I don't expect to get something hard when I bite into a burger, you know. But it is tasty. It has like good masala and flavor.
I think no, like a momo with a burger doesn't go at all. I didn't like this. I would have liked this individually, maybe with like a dip of sauce or something.
Like the momo is good inside it,
Momo is good,
but with the burger bread,
but
it's
it's getting too dry.
yeah.
So-
Yes,
yeah.
that's it. I think it's dry and it's hard.
Yeah.
It's tasty, but it's just not supposed to go together.
Momo is like authentic bro. I
Oh,
love
yeah.
momos. It's supposed to have it with like a dip, with a chili chutney, or if you like it to have it with something else, then have it. Don't spoil it with a burger. Like,
Yeah.
no. I would rate this. First of all, for their broken things, I
Like
would
a
rate
4 out of 10.
maybe 4 out of 10 is minimum. Nice.
Yes.
I'm gonna try that interesting one, the nacho.
The nacho one was good.
Ooh, this. I'm excited about this. Are you sure this is the nacho?
Ah, this one.
I'm excited about this. This one is from Jumbo King, and this is a nachos. Jumbo
Nachos
King burger.
JK. It says nachos, just kidding.
And this was high rated also. This is a veg nacho burger. और ये काफी high rated था. Ooh, I like the patty first of all. The bun of this I like. It's like plain and looks kind of cute. The patty inside, so there are 2 nachos, there's lettuce, and there's some sauce. I think this is a chipotle sauce. And the patty is just like square shaped patty. I'm assuming again this is going to be a veg patty, and there's nothing here. But the presentation looks nice. I like the bun and it's appealing to the eye. And the nacho size is also pretty big. It kind of covers the whole burger. But we're gonna try this and see how it is, because there's just one sauce and then there's onion also. There's lettuce, onion, sauce.
We got lucky. Oh my god, it's veg and with like aloo, right? One drawback about this is that the nachos is soggy as hell, and the taste also is so average.
The aloo patty बहुत dry है, nachos is not fresh at all. Tasty भी नहीं लग रहा है, सिर्फ दिखने में अच्छा लग रहा
Yeah,
था.
this was a major disappointment. The nachos was so soggy.
I was so excited to try a nacho burger.
If the nachos was crispy, this would have been fun. This is
I'm
like
gonna
a.
give this a 3 because it's
The
bit
momos
too
burger was
funny.
better than this.
हाँ, momos burger was at least the momo was tasty.
Yeah, the
That was
momo was
tasty
tasty.
भी नहीं है. So the burger was for 80 rupees, but with the delivery and everything, it was for 151. The nacho burger, but not worth it
Not
at
worth
all.
the 80 bucks also.
But anyway, let's go with the one and only, the famous KFC chicken Whopper burger. Woo!
Okay, Bye.
This is a KFC classic vegan burger. The burger was for 142, but with the delivery and everything, it cost me rupees 233.
The most expensive burger that we've eaten today.
Yeah, the size is very big. First of all, I'm sure most of y'all know how the bun is and everything. The mayo is coming out of the package. Like I think they've put a decent
So
amount.
many mayo. Yeah, so much mayo.
They've put like one crispy chicken inside. They've put lettuce and they've put mayo.
Good patty size. Oh, this one.
It doesn't cover the whole burger.
Betty bought a better butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought a better butter.
Whoa!
Betty bought a bitter butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought a better butter. I forgot the rest.
I could never.
Seashells on the seashore. Why are you doing?
I can actually.
Try.
But I don't want to waste
I
my
smell
time.
cat.
Try once.
Betty butter.
Seashells on the sea. Seashells on the seashore.
Seashells on the seashore.
Seashells on the seashore. That's a big burger. Compared to all the burgers, this is the biggest one in size so far. The awkward silence when we eat.
I take time to like chew properly.
I trying to say I don't chew properly. Beef.
I'm slow eater. Better walk my friend.
YouTube beef. We have beef now.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you, bitch.
Bitch. Okay, this KFC one, it's tasty, man. I just feel like it's just good. The chicken is so tender and juicy. They had great amount of mayo in it, so it wasn't dry.
I'm serious. It was very big. First of all, the bite size was so good. It took me a good time to like chew and eat it. Good. And the patty size fat. Although उनका पूरा cover नहीं करता burger, but it's pretty bad.
Same.
If you're craving for a good chicken burger, you can offer this.
9. It's a 9. 8.5 or 9.
Huh. I would give this a 9 on 10. It's
Yeah.
tasty. It's better than the McDonald's McChicken one.
So this is a video about roasting McDonald's if you didn't know.
Now we're trying the
Whopper.
veg
This one's not good.
Whopper. Burger
Burger
King
King.
ka veg Whopper. We got this for 166 rupees. The burger was 149, but I ended up paying 166. इनका delivery charge कम था. I love the packaging. It's so cute. See, it's so perfectly like wrapped. It's like giving me like some sort of happiness. Like the Whopper is coming like properly like labeled, and I open it from here. Oh my god, this is so beautiful also. You know the burgers which they show in like advertisements to like please your eyes? This is how it looks. It looks so beautiful. It's so pretty.
Prettiest burger so far. 10 on 10 for that.
Yeah,
Aesthetic looks.
aesthetic wise, prettiest burger.
10
so
on
far.
10.
This is the bun, looks beautiful, has the beef and everything. That's there. Beads and things. They have lots of sauce. They have some orange mayo sauce, but they have lots of it. Love it. They have given us lettuce. They have given us tomato. Oh, they've given me jalapenos also. I love
jalapenos too.
Size wise also बहुत अच्छा है, beautiful भी और बहुत सारी चीजें भी अंदर. Let's taste and see. Does a veg burger impress us non-vegetarians?
So let's see if I would go out of my way to buy this. Looks damn tasty. Okay, bro. This is some good burger.
I always wanted to try the
Veg Whopper. The chicken Whopper is phenomenal, but so is the veg one. It's so good. So all the vegetarians are living their lives too. Good to know. A round of applause for Burger King. Burger King and McDonald's needs to end their war now because clearly one's a clown and one's a king.
Oh my god, it's so good. This one gets the highest so far.
10, 9.5.
9.5.
Not 10, 9.5.
And it's a lot more cheaper compared to KFC
Yeah.
and McDonald's also.
But I also know that veg stuff is always cheaper than chicken. Like if it was the same chicken Whopper that we would have ordered, it would have been more expensive than the Zinger burger.
Now there is a cafe which is like very high rated around here. Beyond Cafe, and this is their classic paneer burger, and this one was for 150 rupees, but with the delivery charges and everything we got for like 207 rupees. और इसका packaging बहुत
Nalla tha.
बहुत plain है, like literally just white paper से wrap किया हुआ है.
I could have better.
So this burger looks pretty. It has again the sesame seeds, lettuce. Oh, there's lots of orange sauce, like lots of orange
So this
sauce.
is gonna be the sauciest burger.
Yeah. And again the patty shape is square and it's a paneer square shaped burger.
Oh, this looks juicy.
We don't have more tissues now. Use करके दे रही है. What the hell? Someone asking for a tissue. You know what she did? Who does that, mother? That's so rude. ASMR, but it's meetha. I hate.
Yeah, what was it? The meat up, and that's why you shut up. Like, is it supposed to be meat?
Sweet. I don't know what is the sauce. There's no tomato ketchup, but maybe it's meetha.
Weird
It's
burger.
soft. It's nice. The paneer is good. The bun is good. Everything is good. Only
Yeah.
thing is it's meetha. I can't have sweet burgers.
Dude, weird. And the paneer was soft and all, but it didn't have too much flavor.
So I'll give this like a 6 on 10. And this one was for 150, and with the delivery and everything, it cost me 207. With that, we have reached our last burger of the video.
That was quite quick.
But this one looks the most interesting. Like it's the package.
This one wins for packaging.
It's
Quite
a
nice.
burger place around which is called Burger Bazooka, and this is how it looks. ASMR unpackaging. ASMR unpackaging. They've given us a foil, guys. Oh my god, this one looks so fat.
Yeah, it looks big. That's what he said. Ooh, damn, bro.
Oh my god.
Is this not what burger is this?
It's a classic veggie burger, guys. This has no sesame seeds in it. This has lettuce, tomato, onion, and white mayo. This has double patty, no wonder. Okay, maybe their classic veg has double
That's
patty.
just we
Which
ordered
is why it's
classic
so
veg.
fat. It has a patty, then it has a cheese layer in between, and it has another patty. This one's gonna be a heavy ass burger. I'm gonna let her try it first. She barely ate this. She like veg, not mixing.
No, but honestly, dry. I don't know.
This was damn expensive. This was more expensive than Burger King. This one was, the burger price is like 110, but with the delivery, I think it's 232.
Oh, damn.
For the price, not worth it at all.
I don't like it that much. The taste was very average and
After eating the Burger King, the veg Whopper, this is nothing.
that first veg thing from the shawarma place.
That was
I'm surprised today. I feel like I've liked the veg burgers
More than
the
the
chicken
non-veg
burgers,
burgers,
which is
yeah.
so crazy for me. My mom's gonna be very happy. Show this video. She'll be like, yes.
This one would get a 6 on 10.
7. It was not that bad because McDonald's also at 6.
I'll give them
Sure.
a 7 for like providing us a double
Big.
patty. and
Maybe some
non-veg.
people will like it.
So with that, we finished finding out the best burger. So with that, guys, we finished finding out the best burgers for you guys, so that you don't have to go through all the men we got it.
Yeah.
Please tell me which one do you want to know next tries, or
Ice creams.
nachos, or
Nachos,
cake, or pizza,
cakes.
or momos,
I'm
or
hungry now.
sandwiches. Whatever y'all want, just comment down below and let me know. I would find the best one out of the lot for you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching.